Hi guys, it's Peter, welcome to our channel. Let me introduce you my new build. I call Pint V-75. Pretty much, probably you already figured out, it's a 75 volt with Vesc. Not only that, it has a XR tire on the Pint hub. Board feels really nimble. Due to a bigger tire, of course, it's more, for me, it's more comfortable to ride, because on the original Pint tire, low profile, it feels like crap. With Vesc, 75 volts, of course, and that's original Pint, not X or S. Pretty much, you not can fit that many cells in original Pint. It has to be a split pack, and this board has a split pack, 15 Ps 1S in the back and 3 Ps 1S in the front. The cells I use it 21700, not 18650s. It's a 21700, 5000 milliamp RS50. I forgot what's the brand, but I'm gonna put it right here. The board, like I said, it's awesome for what it is. I did run it a couple times already. I didn't try to push it to a record or anything like that, because I'm kind of too heavy for 1P configuration. And when I accelerated, when it did go kind of fast, I believe around 20 miles or so, or close to 20, duty cycles gets like 65 or so. And I don't want to push it too far. Even I set my alarm to 85% duty cycle to kind of be on the safe side. But otherwise, yeah, lighter guy, around 150 pounds or so, like a half my weight. He will do probably 30 plus on a Pint. Pretty much this board probably will make a circles around GT, GTS, XL. Yeah, it's a really mind-blowing. And the best part, when I start building this board, I set a couple goals. I tell to myself what I don't like about the original one. It's way under power, it feels like crap when rides, and range is super low. If I can achieve it, those goals make them better, and weight-wise can be stay not more heavy than Pint X or S. I will be happy. And pretty much, like I said, it's a 18S 1P, 5000 milliamp battery. It's converted to wattage. It's going to be 320 watt. It's the same wattage as Pint X or S, but it has higher voltage. Instead 63 volts, it's a 75 volt setup plus Vesc. And with wider, bigger tire, it feels more comfortable, threaded. It's more off-road capable. It's really awesome. And the best part, it's only 27 pounds. It's a mind-blowing, you know, this little I should call pocket rocket. It's quite amazing the way it is right now. Well guys, pretty much that's all guys for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.